Paige McConnell will now play the introduction to this great Neil Diamond's number.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Wait. What
Ladies and
is
gentlemen. Please, a warm hand for the chairman of the boards.
Chairman of the boards, Mr. Paige McConnell, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Chairman of the boards. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have a very special guest playing the drums this evening, Mr. Chuck Norris. Oh, Cracklin, Rosie, get on board. We're gonna ride till there ain't no more. I'll go taking it slow. And Lord, don't you know, I'll have me a time with the poor man's lady, hitching on a twilight train. Ain't nothing here that I care to take along. Maybe a song to sing when I walk. Don't need to say please to no man for a happy tune. Oh, I love my Rosie child. You got the way to make me happy. You and me, we go in style. Cracklin, Rose, you're a store-bought woman, but you make me sing like a guitar humming. So hang on to me, girl, the song keeps running on. Play it now, play it now, play it now, my baby. Cracklin, Rose, you make me smile. The girl that lasts the whole hour, well, that's alright, 'cause we got all to set the world right. Find us a dream that don't ask no questions, yeah. Oh, hello, my Rosie child. You got the way to make me happy. You and me, we go inside. Cracklin, Rose, you're a store-bought woman. You make me sing like a guitar humming. So hang on to me, girl, the song keeps running on. Play it now, play it now, play it now, my baby. Cracklin, Rose, you make me smile. Girl, if it lasts the whole hour, well, that's alright, 'cause we got all to set the world. Find us a dream that don't ask no questions. Ba, 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 ba. Can you read the word? You gotta sing. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. All together now. Hand me over, ladies and gentlemen. A butt with protruding arms and legs. Well, we're going to do this one last song here for you tonight. That's what we have time for. And we're going to dedicate this to our newest additions to our crew here. We've got 3 new people working for us, and all of them are natives of this fine town here. So, Mike, wherever you are, Grant, and L.A. Lawler, the guy who sits up here tuning the piano, yes, they're all from Vancouver. So this song is for you guys. They've been telling us this whole tour that everything's better in Vancouver. Everything's better in Vancouver. So this is for you guys.